has been a money machine towards me. Ever since I've learned this high accurate Forex entry. Do remember, it's simple, easy, but powerful. In this mini course on Forex entries, we're going to be going over 3 things in this market. What is this high accurate entry strategy? How to use this entry strategy? And thirdly, live market examples so you can get this perfect. All the traders, if you want me to teach you more, comment down below in the comments right now, trading sessions. And I'll do the next video on trading sessions for you.
So that we say, guys, first understand how to identify this entry. What I'm basically saying is that we have one for buying and one for selling. Okay, so I'm gonna first show you the one for selling. So we have first candle over here like that. We need to identify 3 candles. Okay, so we have this type of candle. Okay, let's just make this a bearish candle. Okay, it's a bearish candle. The next candle over there enters, opens there, goes all the way lower like that, massive candle. But at the same time, there is a little wick over here that we can spot out like that. Okay, then there's a third candle that the market closes where we opens, goes till there. Okay, and let's just say that's a bullish candle. Doesn't really matter what color the candle is, but let's just say it's a bullish candle over there. Okay, then you can see in between this low and this high, there's this gap right here. That is known as a fair value gap. It's an imbalance in the market where we try to get entries off. Reason 2, there's a lot of orders and order flow is over there. There's a lot of liquidity there and a lot of order flow where we can get entry off. So on the 4th candle, we usually wait for the next candle to open up and come back into there, or a few other candles to come back into that same region, and we enter off it. So how I spot that off is I simply use a rectangle box from that high to that low. So from this high right here, from this low to this high right here, and I put it into the future, and this is known as a fair value box. So what I do is go to settings, type in FVG and template and save as, and mine is already there. Okay, so all I do is click fair value gap, and that, so this is known as where I can enter. Anytime it comes here, I'll be entering the sell. And now for the buying one, this is how it works. Okay, so first we have some sort of candle, whatever you want to say, bullish candle like that. Okay, maybe make it like a small one, or a whatever type of candle, like a small type of candle, and the next candle opens up, boom, it goes all the high. It needs to break massive. Okay, massive candle, and the next candle maybe opens up, it starts going a little lower like that. Okay, now that is going to be a bearish candle. It doesn't really matter, it can be a bullish candle, it can be a bearish candle, it's the same thing. Just it needs to be having some sort of gap between this high right here, the previous candle, and this low right here, this candle. Between this candle right here, we need to have some sort of gap. Like you see this massive gap right there. Okay, that's an imbalance. So what I then look for, whether there's a, let's say that I'm gonna give you, like, you know what, for argument's sake, I'll put a wick right there and a wick right here, so you can see there is still some sort of characteristics, right, like that. So you see this spot from this high here to that low right there into the future, and I name that a fair value gap. So anytime the next candle maybe opens up, goes up, and then say the 3rd, 4th candle comes back down, it doesn't really matter. First, next candle, 5 candles later, it doesn't really matter. But the next few candles after it opens after this candle, any candle, it can be the next candle immediately, or 5 candles later, they come back into here. This is where we're going to enter the buys off. Okay, so that's what it is, guys. So again, if you need to watch this again, watch it over and over, guys. But I'm going to show you guys now on the chart how to actually spot this out. So we're spotting on this high like that, and then the low, all stops. Okay, so what we're initially looking for is a pushback, back above, and then buy. Okay, when it comes on top, push up, catch up orders, get below, and then sell here. But now we want to get that entry. When do we get an entry? When do we sell? When do we buy? This is going to tell you that. Okay, high, low is the high. We want to, not the high, like here's the low and the high. Alright? This is another example for you guys. So just show you guys, and that's known as a fair value gap. So all you're going to wait for is a retest back into this area. Okay, then we're going to sell lower. Wait for it. There we go. There we go. That's where we enter. So that at that point in time, you just enter as the mark comes there. Stop loss can be above the high, wherever the ease, wherever. I'm not going to teach it right now. If you need me to teach it for you guys, just let me know, okay? And you're selling all the way to to the downside, guys. And patiently you waited. Patiently you waited, and the market dropped all the way low, guys. Patience, right? Patiently waited, and the market dropped all the way to take profit. Now again, guys, I can teach this to you guys. Let me show you guys. I have another example for you guys. Let's say we're here at this chart right now. There, we know we can't buy or sell there. We're waiting for here or there. So you see, market shoots up. You're patiently waiting. Patiently waiting. Go to the 2-minute time frame. Is there anything there? Ah, I see something, guys. Can you see it? I saw that. So you can see there's the high, there's the low, there's the imbalance in here. All I do is take from the low, from the high to the low. Now I'll simply wait for entry right over here, okay, to take it all the way up to there. That's what I'm waiting for. Let's be patient. Let's wait. There. Look at that. Look at that. Entry and boom, take profit smash. Again, I have to give credits to ICT. He's the one that inspired me, motivated me, and I learned so much from him, guys. So once again,
simple, easy, but a powerful Forex entry strategy. When used correctly, your mentor Shakil Samai, sign up till the next one. Cheers, guys.